Hi everybody. Today is a special shoot and I thought that it's probably a good teaching opportunity. So today I am shooting my girlfriend and her family, but there's no men, it's just the women in the family. And the reason is because the mother was recently diagnosed with cancer and she's just finished her chemo treatment. Thankfully, she didn't lose her hair because it was a different kind of chemo. It's not the kind that makes you, lose all your hair. I did tell her that, listen, we need to do some portraits of mom and you girls together because when this happens, we never know, what's going to happen. And so since they have never done any portraits together, it's super important for us to do this. So they're going to come in today and we're going to do this. So I'm not going to teach during it. I will still record my audio just so that you can see how I pose them and how I, get the lighting on them. There's two ways of doing this. The first way is to shoot each person individually, and the way that I do that is by using a tripod. So I'll set the tripod up and I will not move it. And then I will shoot each girl individually, and that guarantees that my light is perfect, the pose is perfect. I really, really like shooting each person individually, shoot on a tripod, then you can just photo stack them in Photoshop afterwards and make a perfect portrait out of it. So that's also really handy if you're doing corporate shots where people are coming and going in a team setting. So I do this all the time, and that way I can easily remove someone from the group shot or add someone, and then it costs less money for the team to not only organize and get everybody together to do another group shot, but that way it's just adding and subtracting. It's not as easy when you're adding after the fact because unless you mark the floor where you put the tripod, it's not going to be exact, but you can get it pretty close. I tend to mark my floor for my tripod so that it's the same every time and just adjust the person forward or back on the set, okay? Now for today's shoot, I'm using this 1 4-foot Octa, and I will have white reflectors here on this side, and I might actually add a little bit of fill light from behind that you won't see, just filling them in a bit, because usually this is pretty one-sided. I'm not going to be able to have the reflector super close to the subject because it's going to take away from the video. So if that indeed becomes the issue, then I will add a fill light, and I will let you know in the subtitles as we go on if I ended up doing that. So I'm just waiting for them to arrive, doing some extra setups, and we'll get to it. Chin up a bit. Tilt this way a bit for me. Beautiful. Turn this way. Yeah, just whole body straight in front of me. Yeah. Okay, this arm now back like that. So up like it was before, like that. And then this one just like this. So you're just gonna bring this down right about there. Just like that. Good job. So asymmetry is always super nice in pictures, which I'm sure you know. So what we're gonna get you to do is, okay, so you're like this. So we're just gonna get this one, this shoulder. Yeah, just like that. Twist back a bit though. Yeah, right there. Just a little bit more. Just like that. Good. Yeah, and you're going to turn your face that way, but you're going to look at me. Chin up. Yeah, chin up. And the slightest hint of a smile. Because otherwise we look angry. My mom, she always gives me big smiles, and I'm like, too much, Mom, too much. Chin up just a bit more. More. Lovely. You're done, son. For the group shot, you're done. You're going to stand right here. Good. Yep, perfect. You look amazing. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of hairs because otherwise I have to edit the heck out of them. Alrighty. Yeah, I think that was a great addition for you. Okay. Okay, so I want you to stand with both of your hands like this and bring that shoulder forward like this and just come back a little bit, rotate your whole body back this way. Yeah, now like this a bit, and I'm gonna just move your hair because that's all we see right here. Skinny girls photographed so beautifully. All right. Beautiful. Keep your hands still. Don't be nervous. You look gorgeous. I love the little smile. Tilt a little bit this way. Good. Chin up for me. Yes, power position. Love it. You look beautiful. Okay, now go straight on. Yep. Can you kind of stand shoulder width apart and then lean on one like this? And then I want you to do this. And I want you to bring that shoulder forward and bring your chin towards it. Tilt this way. Perfect. Chin up a bit. Tilt a little bit more that way. You're killing it, honey. Okay, now no smile. Can you do the eyebrow thing? Just a little bit, yeah. Oh, and breathe out of your mouth so that your lips part just a little bit. Yeah. And I'm going to get you to turn your head this way a bit and chin up again a bit for me. You're done, son. See how easy that is?
Beautiful.
Melissa.
This makes me nervous. Hurry.
Okay, come with me. So I'm going to get you facing this way. You're going to come and stand right here. Yeah. Just one little step this way. Yep, good. And you're going to turn your body this way. Do you feel like a princess? Because you look like one. Okay.
I have the same shirt in brown because I liked it.
Oh, it's very nice. Okay, hands down kind of like this. And then you're going to straighten them just a bit. And then you're going to twist that way. Good girl. Chin up.
Oh my goodness. So grown up, Emma. When did this happen? What the heck?
Okay, you're going to look right here for me, okay?
Yeah, no laughing.
Good job. Okay, so this arm that's closest to me, can you bring it back like this? And then kick it back. Yes, perfect. This other hand right here, just kind of touch the bottom of your hair. Bottom, yeah, just really, really relaxed like you're actually playing with it. Good, perfect. Turn your face this way a bit more. You're going to keep looking into the camera, but yeah, and now chin up a bit.
So pretty, Emma. Sorry.
Look right here for me. Chin up a bit and give me a sneaky smile. Good job. That's amazing. Okay, you're not done yet. So stand straight for me. Yep, like this. Good. Spread your legs like that and lean on one like that. Perfect. And just hold on to your skirt like this, but I want you to twist this way. Good. Perfect. You're a natural, my love.
Mommy, stop staring at me.
She can't help it. You look amazing. Good job. Chin up a bit. Good. See this shoulder on this side? Just move it forward a bit and then bring your chin towards it. And now chin up a bit. A little bit of a smile. Good. You're done. Da, 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 da.
My sister is facing this way.
Yeah, your sister's that way, she's that way. Where do you want to be in the picture? You're taller than Melissa, right? With your heels are? Really?
Just the heels on, yeah. Maybe.
Do you want to be beside Mom or on the
Yeah,
outside?
sure. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Whatever you think looks best. You can place everybody according to.
Step back. Yeah. Just a smidge. Yeah, okay, turn this way. So nice. Okay, so no straight arms, right? Little bend even.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that if you do.
Should I do this
I
way?
would, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring your foot out just a bit. Yeah, and then do this. Perfect. And now
Go
you're,
like this.
I know. And then do this, and then chin towards it, but kick it back a bit if you can.
I might have had a stroke.
You're a mess. Yeah,
Don't even know what to say.
I would probably make them do more tests.
Yeah. That's it, eh?
Because what if they
Isn't that
missed
crazy?
something?
Your cat's got your bra.
A little bit of a smile because you look really sad right now. Okay, twist this way a smidge. No, other way, sweetie. Kick that elbow back just a bit. So if you can do this, kick it back. Now twist your body this way a bit. Chin up a bit. A little bit of a smile. Need a little, just a little something, even if you smize. Okay, now turn the other way. No, go straight. Straight is good. Okay. Shoulder width. Shoulder width. Turn that one foot this way a bit, that way a bit. Yep. And now lean this way on this leg. So you're going to go like this. Right. Good. Okay. That's pretty. I just need your arms bent a little bit. That's good. Bend that one. Perfect. Good. Face this way. Chin up a smidge. Chin up a bit. Good. Tilt this way just a bit. Too much. Come back a bit. Back, back. Right there. Yeah. Up. Turn your face more that way. Eyes at me though. Look at the lens, babe. Beautiful. Little bit of a sneaky smile. Smize. Little bit. Little bit. Fantastic. Okay, this one, just kind of flick it for me. Yeah, do that side, hun, because your leg's there and that'll look good. So wait till I count to 3. Let's get your pose right first. Turn your face this way. Stick your chin out. Up. Up more. Little tilt this way. Too much, come back a bit. Yep. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now the next time I want you to do it and then move your arm back right away. As soon as you flick, okay. 1, 2, 3. Try it again. 1, 2, 3. No, I gotta count to 3, hon. I don't know what's going on when you do that. There's a smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She's really good at this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This way, good. Perfect, just like that. And you're just gonna hang on to both of that. So this one here, we'll do a couple for you too. So go like this and just pull it up like that. And then kind of go up. Yes, yes. So we'll do these for you.